Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review SimilarMail. SimilarMail is a tool by which you can spy your competitors' email marketing strategy and your competitors' email marketing template. You can redesign this template and then you can use this template by using this SimilarMail tool. Also, you can analyze the strategy of big companies use in their email marketing campaign by using this tool. In one sentence, SimilarMail is basically a email template spy tool. And see, they're saying that SimilarMail is the largest email archive and analytics service on the planet. And now, if you see the lifetime deal pricing of SimilarMail, it's only 39 USD, and you will get here these features. Basically, you can go through here, and all futures plan update will be available here. Also, they are saying that this deal is not stackable, and see, this tool has gotten 22 reviews as of now, and everyone is giving here 5-star review. The reviews are almost 5-star here. So these are the things, guys. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of SimilarMail and let's explore how it can be helpful in case of your email marketing. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, guys, you're cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now, this is the dashboard of SimilarMail, and here you have to search your competitor's domain, and whenever you will search your competitor's domain, this SimilarMail tool will show you what types of email marketing template they are using in case of your competitors' email marketing. And now let's say the competitor of your email marketing is Nail Patel. So just search here nailpatel.com. And here one thing I want to clarify, guys, do not use here HTTPS. Just use here domain.com. Do not use here any slash, or do not use here any like HTTPS. This type of extension do not use. So if you use this extension, you will not get the result. That's why you have to use this domain like that. That means domain.com, your domain.com. I hope you get idea. And after that, just add the domain here and then search it. Then this SimilarMail will show you all the email marketing template that are using this nailpatel.com. See, this is nailpatel.com domain, and see, these are the email marketing template that Nail Patel is using, and it's very basic basically. So let's say if you want to add anything in favorite, then just click here in this favorite section. It will be added in the favorite section. See, there I have option for favorite. In this favorite section, it will be added. Now let's say you want to open it and you want to see what inside there. Just click it and then it will redirect you to the template. See, here is the template. See, this is the template, and this is basically the desktop view. If I just click here, then it will show you the complete desktop view from here. And then there have mobile view. You can also get the mobile view of the template. Now there have option for HTML. So you can just copy and paste this HTML basically, and then you can edit this template in your own way. I hope you get idea. And then they have text. So they have the text version of this email template. These are the things, guys, and then you can add it to your favorite list. Also, you can edit it and download the HTML. I'll show you how you can download, but at first I will explore more domain here. Why? Because the email template of Nail Patel is not so beautiful. I think it's just text, but I want to show you something where I have a lot of design. Let's say I want to explore the email template of SEMrush or semrush.com. I hope you are familiar with SEMrush. Now, if I search it, see, here are the email templates of SEMrush. This type of email templates SEMrush generally use. Now, let's say from here you want to explore one SEMrush template or email marketing template of SEMrush. Let's say I'll explore this one. So just click on it and then it will redirect you basically. See, here is the template. This is the template. Let me open it. See, this is the template that SEMrush used in this email marketing campaign. So there have some design basically. See, a complete email marketing template. Now in this way, you can spy your competitors' email marketing template. Also, you can get idea of big companies email marketing template. You can follow these domains. If there have option to follow, just click here follow, then this followed domain will be added in this followed domain section. I hope you get idea. Now here are the HTML version of this template, here is the text version of this template, and here is the mobile view version of this template. So these are the things, guys. See, this is the mobile view version of this template. Now let's say you want to use this template and you want to redesign it for your brand. So then there have option C, edit and download HTML. So just click here edit and download HTML, then it will give you the option to edit this complete email marketing template basically. So it's huge, guys. Why? Because to design this type of email marketing template you have to hire a designer, and then you have to pay the designer a lot of money. But if you use this drag and drop platform, see here everything is now editable and everything is drag and drop. You can drag and drop every element from here, you can change every element from here. See, from here you can basically change the image, you can change the width, height, you can change the text from here, you can change logo from here. So everything basically you can change. You can change every text from here, and then you can just download it as HTML. Let's say, see, this is the full template, and after editing the full template, then there have download option. So see, it has been downloaded as HTML file. Now see, this is the HTML file. I have been opened it. See, this is the HTML file, and it has been downloaded on my PC. So these are the things, guys. In this way, you can redesign your competitors' email marketing template, and then you can redesign it. You can use it for your own. Now, how to use this template? You have to download this HTML template from the SimilarMail platform, and then you have to go to your email marketing tool, whatever tool you are using, guys. You can use maybe MailChimp, you can use maybe Mail, you can use MailerLite, you can use any type of email marketing tool, and there must have a option to export template or export template as HTML. You have to export this template, and then you can use this template for your email marketing campaign. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea, guys, and all the domains that you will follow, you will get all domains email marketing template at a glance here in this explore section. See, if I go to this explore section, here I'm following this duolingo.com domain, and I'm following this constantcontact.com domain. I'm following this teachable.com domain, and I'm following this search engine journal domain. So all the domain that you will follow, these domains email marketing template will be shown here at first. And if you scroll down here, you will see other popular email marketing template. So these are the things, guys. After that, they have option for favorite, and here in this favorite option you will see all your favorite template basically. After that, they have followed domain, and here in the followed domain section you will see all the domains that you are following. See, I am following these 4 domains. The last but not least is there have option to category, and if I go to this category option, you can see a lot of category. From here you have to find your business category. Let's say you are in photography niche, or your business is photography oriented. See, they have photography category. See, there have a lot of other category. You have to find your category. Now for this video purpose, let's say I will explore this photography. So if I go to this photography section, see here it will show you the statistics of this photography section. See, here have the email frequency by month. See, on this month 26 email has been sent on this category, 30 emails has been sent on this category. So you can see email frequency category wise by using this SimilarMail tool. Also there have list of domain, that means these are the competitors of you if you are in photography niche. That means these domains are basically in photography niche, and if you are in photography business, or if your business or if your website is photography oriented, then definitely these domains are your competitor. Now you can just click on any domain. Let's say I'll click here, maybe here, let's say, let me find here get image. Let me click here get image. This is, let's say, one of my competitor. So you can also find your competitor, your niche based competitor basically from here, and then you can follow the domain from here. Then you can get the idea about their business from here. You can see their journey. See, you can see the tree-wise email marketing template of this company here. See on which date, which template they have been sent for their email marketing. You can see it. And if you click here on this template, then it will redirect you to this template. And then if you want to use this template, you can use this template for your own. And then they have statistics. You can see the statistics of this company for email marketing template, and there have subject and content analysis. See, average subject length of these categories email marketing is 6 word, and subject using emojis is 1%. That means in 1% email people are using emoji in this category. And for subject using question, only 6% emails are using question as their subject. And there have content analysis, average reading time 16 seconds. So it's good, guys. Some people send email in the email marketing campaign that requires a lot of time to read. I'm not recommending you that. Please keep your email marketing campaign to the point and very short, I think. And see here, you can see the average word length, you can see mobile optimized emails, and you can see flash reading score also from here. And then they have option for top font used. See, these top 5 fonts people are using in this category in case of their email marketing. And top keywords, see, these top keywords are people using in this photography category email marketing. So these are the things, guys. In this way you can also get category wise statistics and category wise data about your niche by using this SimilarMail tool in case of your email marketing. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about this SimilarMail tool. And if you think as you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this SimilarMail lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this SimilarMail lifetime deal in the description and in the comment section of this video. And you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing, guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on SimilarMail lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.